Hello, welcome to our Learn English Smoothly channel. Today, I am going to share a story about my morning walk. I hope you enjoy it and learn some new words. Hi, my name is Ina. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is get ready for my morning walk. I put on my comfortable shoes and grab a bottle of water. Then, I step outside and feel the fresh air. The sky is still a little dark, but I can see the sun slowly rising. I start walking down the street. The streets are quiet, and I can hear the birds singing. I love listening to the birds while I walk. It makes me feel peaceful. As I walk, I see a few people. Some are walking their dogs, and others are jogging. I always smile and say, "Good morning," to them. It feels nice to greet people in the morning. After a few minutes, I reach the park. The park is my favorite place. The trees are tall and green, and the grass is soft under my feet. I walk on the path that goes around the park. Sometimes, I see children playing on the swings and slides. They look so happy. I keep walking and enjoy the beauty of nature. I see red roses, yellow sunflowers, and purple lilies. The smell of flowers is sweet and refreshing. After walking for about 30 minutes, I feel my body getting warm. I stop for a moment and drink some water. It's important to stay hydrated during the walk. As I continue my walk, I see a small pond. The water in the pond is calm, and I can see ducks swimming. I like to watch the ducks. They look so peaceful, just gliding on the water. I take a deep breath and enjoy the quiet moment. Walking in the morning helps me clear my mind. It gives me energy for the rest of the day. After 1 hour of walking, I decide to head back home. I feel happy and relaxed. My morning walk always makes me feel good. It's a great way to start the day. When I get home, I stretch my body for a few minutes. Then, I eat a healthy breakfast. I like to have fruit and yogurt. It's a perfect way to end my morning routine. That's the story of my morning walk. I hope you liked it. Remember, walking is good for your health, and it's a great way to start your day. See you next time.